Hola! I picked Mexico because of Frida Kahlo. See, she looks different, right? This is how she really looks like. I'm gonna open the book and show you how she looks. You see her eyebrows. Adios! Hola! My name is Sadie. Today is Taco Tuesday! So, here are all the ingredients. Here is the meat, the vegetables, the cabbages, and tomatoes. And this is the taco seasoning. And also, these are the onions. These are the taco shells. So, today, remember I told you all the ingredients. So, we're gonna make tacos. We're gonna prepare the ingredients. Wait, it's recorded? No!
You said you were cutting the meat.
I'm cutting the meat. I really like it. It doesn't look like I don't like it because I don't like the meat now. We're gonna slice the cabbage. You hear that sound? Then we're gonna slice the cabbage. Potatoes are cabbages. I'm crazy, right? I'm hungry for food. Everybody's hungry for tacos in Mexico. Now we're heating the pan. It's hot enough. While it's hot, I'm gonna a little oil should be the trick. Maybe it's not enough, it's a little hot. You know why I picked Mexico? Because it's the home of my favorite artist, Frida Kahlo. See, I look like her because I have the eyebrows just like her, and her glossy cheeks and the hair. And she also has a flower. So, you know why Frida is my favorite artist? Because even though she was injured, she tried and tried to paint. Even though when she can't sit, walk. So now, we're gonna put that half of the meat. It's also meat. Fun fact about Mexico is uno. Did you know it has the largest pyramid? It's not Egypt. And the pyramid is named Cholula. Also, it's the second country that has the most paintings. Museums also. In the museums region. Next. Did you know Mexico has the smallest volcano in the world? Did you even know that? And it also doesn't erupt. Are you sure? That's right, I'm sure it doesn't erupt. And also that the name of the volcano is Huasconan. It's also hard to say, also for me. Now do the last part, the seasoning. It's also spicy. So these are the tacos. So I'm gonna serve those things that I cooked. So here, first we put the meat. Now the corn. Okay, now the cabbage. So this is my guest, Mr. Jacobo. Hola! Delicioso! Delicioso! Cheers! Cheers! Delicioso. Uno, dos, tres! Adios! That's Mexican for goodbye. Bye. Delicioso. Oh, I forgot. Thanks for watching.